Welcome to Thursday Train in a painting I'm calling Fall Foliage. This is a consistency check, and I'm going to do is a small dot, and then I'm going to tilt it to see how far it stretches. So I'm anticipating these two are going to run a little bit faster. We'll see how acceptable. This one I know is thinner because I intentionally wanted a little tiny bit. Okay. And last but not least, but I don't have enough room on here, is my cell activator, which is just a little bit thinner. So I'm going to just do a little tilt, and we'll see how we do. I suspect that that one's going a little bit faster. And just giving it a tilt to check out my paint consistencies. Okay, we should be able to see there. You see, this one, like I suspected, was going to be just a little bit thinner. That is my thinnest of the group, but all the rest of them are pretty close. They're pretty close. So I'm going to roll with it. Flood out my canvas, and we'll get started. So a little bit of explanation of what I'm going to be doing. I flooded out the canvas, and now I'm going to lay down a line of color on each one of these, and I'm going to be doing a swipe. What I have are some paper towel. I've wet the far end over here, and it's just damp. Dry end over here on the other end. This is a swipe technique that I've learned from Kathleen of Cause Creations, and it's a technique I've tried in the past, and I think that because I got a better understanding now, I'll have more success with it. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to use my silicone cups because I can put the paint in and control the flow. So that's the plan. And good enough to have water. Okay. So let's get started. So now I'm going to dip this into my cell activator. And I'm going to carefully dip into the, I want to get a little bit of the color and let it settle, maybe a half an inch, and slowly. Now, I would have rather had start in the middle. I got a little too linear with that. Let's try it from the middle and I can fix that later. Same thing. Let it settle. Turn this around, I'm going to do that side. Okay, I'm not feeling I got enough color on this little section here, and in fact in that side entirely, but it's not a big deal. I can go back and fix this. So I'm going to add some color on that side and do another swipe. So let's see how this works. Okay, let's talk about this for just a second. For the first swipe I've done a long time as far as this style. I don't think I can be unhappy with this. It does kind of look like a lake with a trees on fire type thing, and I think I can do some modifications with this. But let's go down and take a closer look. Things I like. I do like the cells I got across the top and the bottom minus right there. But even that I can work with. And I did get coverage across as far as the swipe goes, on both sides. All the colors that were assigned are represented here. What I don't like about it is there's an awful lot of paint across that middle part because I had to add extra. So we'll see how this dries. But I can't be unhappy with this. And I certainly can see some uses for it. So I'm going to put it into the success column, and I'm going to do the slow and easy, and we'll see you at the end.
This has been Thursday Train. Up next is going to be Just Janice, followed by Art by Julie E. So stick around. Let's see what they come around.
If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free.
I want to thank you for being here today and hope that you got something out of this. Stick around for the next person, and as always, I'll see you next time.